Part 12, the electromagnetic ice dome on the flat Earth. There is one more part to the optical part to this story, the dome above us. What forms a dome is an electromagnetic process that will be covered in greater detail later in another video. The electromagnetic dome is why the controllers cannot get out until the changeover/catastrophe. It is also why they can only dig to 12.2 kilometers, 7.6 miles deep into the Earth. The electromagnetic dome confines all matter within the dome, and nothing can enter or escape while the electromagnetic dome is up, except one thing: water. Remember, the dome is not the firmament. The sky is the firmament and heaven. Genesis 1, 6-8, King James Version. And God said, "Let there be a firmament in the middle of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters. And God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven." Remember this picture in part 2, water, showing a very strong magnet repulsing the water. Water is diamagnetic and is repulsed by electromagnetic fields. Charge/polarity does not matter. Water is repulsed by both positive and negative charges/polarities. A section of the electromagnetic field is what separates the waters above from the waters below. Still too early to get into this any deeper, still much to learn before we can go there. Patience. Back to the dome above us. The electromagnetic dome is lined with a transparent lens. That lens is made of ice, not glass. The waters above are frozen at the coldest place, closest to the electromagnetic dome. A picture of two types of ice cubes. The one on the left is opaque and cloudy because it has impurities in the water. The one on the right is crystal clear because it is pure with no impurities in the water, distilled. The pure water creates a crystal clear lens that works just like pure glass in any lens that is man-made. Please go to the link in the description section to view a video on starting fire with ice. The ice is the lens and works like a magnifying glass, a converging lens that converges all light to the focal point. Then the focal point of light ignites the tinder to start the fire. Great survival skill to learn also. There is a huge difference between the waters above and the waters below. Above is pure water and below is impure water. How and why can water be pure above and not below? The waters above, pure, no impurities, even better than top grade distilled water. Because water is made above. A byproduct of plasma arcing is water. Go back to Mr. Too Tough 2 channel and watch Water on the Sun. He's got the EM electromagnetic part figured out, but can't see the truth because he is stuck in the heliocentric model. The waters below, dirty, lots of impurities mixed with all sorts of other matter, and is not pure. Old, recycled water and not newly made. That is why ice is white and cloudy down here. The waters above, new, pure water equals crystal clear ice. The waters below, old, impure water equals cloudy, white ice. To sum up, the dome is not the firmament. The dome is an electromagnetic field. Water is diamagnetic, repulsed by EM field. Waters above and waters below. Waters Freezes closest to the electromagnetic dome. Pure ice is formed and acts like a glass lens. Ice lens needed for second part of optics along with the waters above. Why do I keep showing this picture and what is it? This is called the apotheosis of Washington in the U.S. Capitol building. Apotheosis definition: the elevation of someone to divine status, deification. Time for some homework for you.